I just started copy trading on FPS copy trader app, and I just want to share with you guys the first day of my copy trading. So I'm just gonna go ahead and go into my account right here, here FPS copy trading app, and there are two types of trades. One risk-free investment, where you can invest $100 in, and if you lose this $100, they will pay you back through, like they will pay you back and you won't lose any money. It's risk-free management. So I invested $10 in Tony CUN, and it's currently running at 0.11 loss. It's $10, and this is the risk-free investment that I was talking about. If I lose this money, I will get it back. Although they charge some fees for it, maybe $1 fees or something, I'll get $9 back for it, even if I lose my money. Okay. And secondly, this is the investment that this is the regular investment that I have to do, and as you can see, it's making about 2.88% dollars of profit. I'm just gonna go ahead and open the account right here, and 2.90 is the profit currently, and the risk level is medium. So if you don't want to lose your money, I would suggest that you go to the risk level flow. I thought I'm gonna lose this. I thought I was going to lose this $20, so I just invested $10 in here and $10 down there. And as you can see, it's running at minus 0.09 this loss, and this is $2.9 profit. And this is the day one. As you can see, I invested 19.56 invested dollars, and the result is 22.36 is my current available balance. And yeah, this is the first day of my copy trading on FPS. I will keep you guys updated on this, and if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and stay notified for the future videos. I just want to share some passive income ideas always, and I will see you guys in the next one in the next video. Have a good day. Bye bye.